smile at what we go through. One stop to the rhythm that defines you. And I speak to you like the chorus to the verse. Drop another line like a coda with the curse. Coming like a freak show takes the stage. We give them the games they play. Say I want something to get me through this. Tell me some kind of lie. Baby, baby, I want something else. I'm not listening when you say goodbye. The sky was gold, it was rose. I was taking sips of it to my nose, and I wish I could get back there someplace like that. Smiling in the pictures you would take. To a crystal method, lift you up until you break. It won't stop. I won't come down and keep stop with the tick-tock rhythm. I bump for the drop and then I bumped up. I took the hit that I was given, then I bumped again, then I bumped again, and then how do I get back there to the place where I fell asleep inside you? How do I get myself back to the place where you said I want something else to get me through this? Tell me some kind of lie. Baby, baby, I want something else. I'm not listening when you say goodbye. I believe in the sand beneath my toes. The beach gives a feeling and a deep feeling. I believe in the faith that grows, and the full light goes can make me cry. When I'm with you I feel like I could die, and that would be alright, alright. And when the blanket mist she said she was plastic, the velvet strips in the sea was chipped on the earth to feel alive. And now I'm struggling to survive those days you were wearing that velvet dress. You're the priestess, I must confess. Those little red panties, they pass the test. Look up around the belly, face down on the mattress once, and you hold me, and we are broken. Still it's all it I wanna do, just a little now. Feel myself heavy off the ground. I'm scared I'm not coming down. No, no, and I won't run from my life. She got the thoughts now locked down in a smile, but nothing is alright, alright. I want something else to get me through this life, baby. I want